My name is Scott Torn, and I, along with my sister Angela, are the directors and operators of incomparable Camp Ozark. Camp Ozark has been owned and operated by my father and mother, Sam and Susan, since 1985. We grew up here, and I want to take a few minutes of your time to tell you why working at Camp Ozark is the best decision you can ever make. Now, I'm going to be honest with you. We are highly selective. We offer a premier experience at a premier summer camp. It's not just a resume builder. It's an awesome experience for you, but most importantly, it's an incomparable experience for our campers and their families. You're going to learn to work with passion and purpose. But when you're doing that, you're going to have a total blast. Now, you're not choosing the easiest job, but you are choosing the most rewarding job. Now, you're going to grow in many ways at Camp Ozark, but most importantly, you're going to grow in your faith. You're going to learn how to be part of a mission, a ministry, something bigger than yourself. You're going to learn how to lead. You're going to learn the character attributes of a servant leader. So there are a lot of jobs out there. There's a lot of opportunities out there, but I can promise you this. There's no better experience than coming to work right here at Camp Ozark. There's nothing more rewarding, nothing more fulfilling, nothing more enriching than coming to this place and spending your summer here. It'll be the summer of your life, I guarantee it.